Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Destiny 2. If you want to team up with friends in Destiny 2, adding friends is simple, whether you are using your Android device, iOS device, PC or console. First of all, open the Destiny 2 application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. After you're in the home page of Destiny 2, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the More button. Inside the More menu, click on Friends at the top. Now from the Friends tab, go to the top right corner and tap on Add Friend. Now, in the search bar, type in the friend's username or their Bungie name and search. From the search results, find your friend's name and tap on it, and it will take you to their profile. From here, tap on Add Friend. Now click on Yes in the pop-up to send the friend request to the chosen person. Once they accept your request, they'll appear in your friend list and you can invite them to fire teams. So that is how you can easily add friends on Destiny 2 and start teaming up for strikes, raids, and P versus P matches across platform. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.